Welcome to Kwento Kids! Sumabay sa aming pagsalaysay ng mga kwentong puno ng saysay. Kwento Kids is presenting with permission from Adarna House and the creators of this book. Author and illustrator, Dominic Agsaway. Boy Kending. Meron akong lihim. Ayoko munang sabihin. Mahilig akong kumending. Kending dito, kending dyan. Kending sa lahat ng sulok ng kwarto. Isuot ang korona. Iladlad ang kapa. Ang saya-saya. Kembot sa kaliwa, kembot sa kanan. Umikot sa tuwa. Tuloy-tuloy ang kending. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope you have learned about our culture and people as we share more pieces of Philippine literature with you. You can also read Adarna House books online through buribooks.com, an extensive e-library of Adarna House books. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tales, and share it with your friends and family who love reading and learning as well. Mabuhay ang pagbasa!